CloudFormation macros are a must when you are doing advanced infrastructure as code stuff in AWS with AWS CloudFormation. But more often than not, there are a lot of security loopholes which you can encounter when implementing these macros. This tool, which you can see on your screen, SSOFixer, enables you to identify any security loopholes in your macros in the CloudFormation. You can do two things with SSOFixer to fix what is wrong with the current SSO permission sets and also with attachment implementation. This GitHub repo gives you the whole fleet of how you can implement this macro and then how can you lint your CloudFormation template, which also covers your stack set, and it also converts your document to a string and filled into the inline policy. It's very easy to use. I will drop the link to this video's description. And just a quick note that if you are looking um, to implement a more robust security option for your CloudFormation, I would highly suggest that you not only use this SSOFixer, which is an open source tool, but also you should be taking help from a lot of other AWS provided tools in the AWS Security Hub. I hope that you found it useful. I will drop the link to this SSOFixer in video's description so that you can also have a look around. Thank you.